Facebook and then it's like don't sleep. Lesnis randa ku ego so far this week ne I love ku this week ever since Sibia ita react ka tingoma ta Xigaza nakambe lava va swi tiva ku a hi stopini yana ku react ka tingoma ta Xigaza content ile ku teni ma swi tiva and nanto nga ri like ta boreka ngopfu hi ku reacta and then ku nga content ile ku teni and yi ta ri quality otherwise ile wa yin'wanyana video ta va khe reacta ni sure ku freestyle. But I won't sleep, bro. Thanks for the message. Hey, ma Ash. Okay, if all of the producer Rico anga lavik. Okay, bonan. Direct the guy and Leo and show if freestyle. By the way, I ain't getting Guyana because I'm lavik waste angari la must there. Dirini, mislungu shingena kwama adindlebe. Don't sleep, keep your head up. Stuck Jumo and tell us so don't sleep, keep your head up. Don't sleep, keep your head up. Don't sleep, keep your head up. Better be careful, Brahmin. I bet you be traumatized if you can start this game. Picture me dropping tears, looking back on how I came. Certificate Cuba strong, participate to survive. That's free to make you a slave. It's going to be alive. I can't finish doom. One and protection order, believe and that's my jail. Could try to cross up this border. I live my life in the street. I'm a family to stranger. I'll be approaching whoever to be a hustler. She danger. I'm not a run to believe. People will live it to die. I'm not girlfriend and the so cause what they do is to lie. Man, I don't trust anyone. Even the smile that I see. That's poco ninga spoon at the betrayal to me. I'm not supported plus beef goes together with hate. And everything I have built is what they're trying to break. I only sleep when I'm dead. I keep my one eye open and when their men at the friend is now broken. That's why I don't sleep. Keep your head up. Don't sleep. Keep your head up. Don't sleep. Keep your head up. Don't stack Jumo and tell us so don't sleep. That's crazy. Don't sleep is Dumbo stuck Jumo or Etlele. Okay, Angus long till I Angus long till I okay, sharp. Eh, the bloody look like Lendo, and like where I'm going to look at it. Don't sleep, better be careful, Bram. I no longer need I would show me some of these rappers are gay. They cannot keep conversations, I have to watch what I say. You see, voice not even public, cause the friendship I is fake. I was arrested in prison, cause the girlfriend I is snake. In 7 days of punishment, they took all my fingerprints. Criminal record, now the system knows Timbani is. Hey! You're no longer going to be friends. No move on and now come visit Shamlungu again. Oh, yeah, Line. I'm gonna track you on a valley. Nagi track, full track, valley. Mastiba in like, this is singing and lago. Nislegeta go, ni react kada video magagore. Eh, that man is time she la video ngoyani you fana nyana nalia. And if always sama shi good endleni tingoma to fana na letwa ile wa ngoyani cause that much lisa kwini undefeated music. That much is zero drop of freestyle each and every day. I tell Leo again.
Hey yo guys, I'm Timbani, ne? So gonna concern like all about album. Look on check. Most of you, some of the fan kuna lava ba talking about album yinge gone. In Macau whatsoever that it's happening, but then
hey, mfu. I ain't got to son and say, I think I know that take music in Auntie. If we are power, let's sing up with us on Alice, is some thing, but it's so. Many did that take and the desert did not be on Auntie. Undefeated.
I'm not sure much at the step album.
Ne?
ni vula ku album ya ha ri ku teni.
Okay.
Album it's coming. Ni nge a ni swi tivi ni ta ku yi to continue kumbe yi ta sungula hansi, but the fact it's coming. So yeah, album yi ta huma, but if mi ze mi ni twa ni ku yi ta delay-ka nyana, yeah, that is true. Sweswo ni nge mi hembeli. Nkarhi lowu mi a ni veke wona ku yi ta huma hi wona, se ni ta boheka ku extenda nyana nkarhi nyana. And i khale vele minkarhi mi yi lava, khale mi ni vutisa hi yoho. Na loko ni posta something a na ha nandzikeriwi, na swi tivi loko ni hlaya ti-comment mi ni vutisa hi album. Hambi no posta swilo swo ka swi nga yelani na album mi ni vutisa hi album. Na swi tiva ku ka album mi la ku twa nchumu, and I respect you for that.
Okay.
Tifeni ta mina mi rhandza na mi respecta. So album guys mi ta yi kuma swo boha. But then Undefeated Music is back, and it's not going anywhere. It's here to stay. So yeah, na ri mthimbani wa n'we mari vaseketeri va mina.
Obo jiri Undefeated Music is back. The way Shilu Shinga Buisa Sona she's a liswa, and the way video na 2.5K is not bad. It's not bad. She's a Shinga Buisa so enga gulisio so mekumago a studio go on ke equipment ya one so ebe o tselele so damn man. All right, the mon organize the equipment the one, and then in tabuya, and then loko shibuya give it everything you have, cause actually great stage is a lishwa, cause in bona content clean, and then that man is akutaba na pressure yan. Look album yo akutaba na pressure.
So I need you guys to mean supporter. I'm not very talented to figure queen, but without you I'm nothing. So Undefeated Music is here to stay. Album ntaikuma so boa this year so boa. I can't tell kuri ntahemba sweswo, but so boa me.
It's fair.
So yeah, peace. In God we trust.
Undefeated. Ni fan, I logo hemba ni fan, and the big fan, and the big fan, and the big fan yam Timbani. Cause like ningi sele tingoma tam Timbani khala before na gaza reactors yisungula. So I know like I've been following the guy. Ebangwane bati Nkambi Oro ba endla hip hop ya Gaza. For the past decade, Mtimbani has been around for a very long time. I remember. Because I was hlayela bantu bako bantu laba abaendla music wa Gaza, especially hip hop ne. I was hlayela akuri Daman, akuri Mtimbani, kubana man, kubana nashize shuma beri EDMS, Snake, kubana Crazy Boy. Daman lishe shingazi shi batrege wa ya Beefy Duma Blind ya Lily Kadu nabo man aba music wena nabo maiza lama maka long life record lama ama Bash Gaza namo, and then Bush Paula ebafana Bush Paul mfane I saw me mistake this year. That's why Zena meant the comma so me mistake. Na Bush Paula, yeah. Eban laba aniba ingisela kuba kushiphola didn't disappointing Paula datsala nanti. Loko nuku imfana black dark fika ka music. Adibangi long enough ufana na Daman. Mar Daman shibe kona gaming for a very long time. And if I disrespect says Shpola datsala too much. I think Lijua da rap ta tinyiketela mara ka Gaza ko hava munhu o tsala hip hop kufana na Shpola. Umesha ndina competition. Okay, yeah, ndina competition umesha sezwa. Shpola datsala nanti. Loko no 81 eba un'wana wa marapa lama nga blind Gaza. Vanhu lava ni va tivaka Gaza if ani nge kuhlaya sorry. I think Mtimbani na Shpola, Kenais labo man laban'wanyani hinkwavo va nyamalalini, and then vanhu lava nga sala gaming hi valavo. Jesus. So yeah man, album loko yi dropa hi fanekele hi make sure ntata kwalawani ni ta reacta ka yona live loko hi huma hi vulavula hi yona, otherwise kusuka ka mina na Gaza Reactors ni ri na ku rhandza hi rirhandzu ra love.